There's a pile there. Man.
Just got back from Alaska. Here's my favorite spot to dive. Menominee River. Got the dam right here. All the gates are closed. Gonna be some stuff in here. Let's go clean her up.
I don't know what's all with all the golf poles here. I've never found that many here, but I did find a lure for you. You guys golf at all? There's a Nike right here.
Probably from the golf course over here.
Yeah.
You always hit them everywhere.
How far out you guys fishing? Okay, so I can go past that then? All right, I'll get out of your way.
Oh, that's fine.
Here's a Titleist 4. Oh. Good Lord. There's a pile there. Man, don't want to be hooked up on there. Good grab, that's for sure. this here is one big mess. Just got done diving to Menominee River. Check out what I got. My best find for today was this big, huge chunk of lures. Most of them I found in one big batch over on the other side, the Menominee side. I did get some more down here that are not stuck in the bunch, but this here is one big mess. Found a bunch of lead here. This one here is about 10 ounces. It's about 6 ounces. All together, I'd say there's probably about 20 pounds of lead right here. Not light. Chunk of PVC right here. Bunch of golf balls. Bunch of cans here. Some glass. Found this lock right there in someone's Oneida card holder thing. Definitely got to point out these sockets here. A 16, 14, and 7/16. Some kind of like transition socket or something. Also found this big net here full of lures. I'd say there's about 20 lures stuck on there. And it's going to be fun picking them out of there. Just got back from Alaska, so it was nice to get back in the water, my hometown, the Menominee River. And all I did was come down to the dam here in between Marinette, Wisconsin, Menominee, Michigan, and I cleaned up. And there's still so much more lead down there, but I had an awesome time, saw a lot of fish. And now it's time to get to work. And today, Christy's going to help me out. What do we get?
What did we get? What did Ed get? He got 17 pounds of lead, 38 golf balls, 2 leaders, and 64 swivels, and 213 lures.
And check out all those lures. These are all rip and wraps. These are about $8.50 in the store, brand new. I clean them up and resell them for $5. These always sell for about $4 or $5 a piece. And a lot of these are bad. The hooks, I gotta put all new hooks, wash all those. Actually, everything is probably gonna need new hooks. A lot of Marinette blade baits here, regular zip lures, a couple jigs over there, bunch of V-rods over here, even got a bottom bouncer here, and just a bunch of other spoons. Even found an older little Clio here with a dancing lady on it.
And just because we are back from Alaska doesn't mean we're gonna stop working, and I'm gonna help this time too.
Thanks for your help, hon.
Anytime.
It's just unbelievable all the things I find down there, including lead, sockets, nets, fishing rods, phones, all kinds of stuff. But I'm very thankful for my great helper.